Starting the project of replacing stock wheels from Subaru SVX. This is 1994 Subaru SVX with stock wheels, which are pretty small, 16-inch 225s, and I'm gonna swap them with 18-inch 245s. So this is just to show you how it looks before, and then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look after. I think it's gonna look great. There I already replaced the front wheels, and the car looks better. I like it. This is to compare with the original wheel. Looks very outdated and small, and this is much better. This is 16, and this is 18-inch. So I'm gonna finish this last wheel, and I'm gonna take it for a drive to see how different it drives. But I like it already. I think it looks cool. My main concern is that I'll have enough room in my arches for the rear wheel to have to be able to suspend a little bit. At least I need an inch. So we'll see. Alright, the project is completed. It took me probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes to do all the four wheels manually, and the car looks taller now. It's funny because you know, it's supposed to be a sports car, kind of low to the ground. It's definitely taller, at least 1 inch taller. I think more than 1 inch. But you know what, maybe it will be more practical if it's a little bit taller, you know. So, but the wheels definitely look nice. I like how they look. This is wheels from Nissan. Oh my god, so much taller this car looks. And especially on the back is so jacked up. Definitely look jacked up. It's not as tall as the regular car sitting next to it. This is a regular car, and it's still sure, you know, taller. This car is taller, so. But I'll see how much room I have here. This is all I have, like 1 inch clearance. I hope it's enough for a car to suspend and turn. I haven't tested it yet. I hope it's enough to turn. I really do, because otherwise I'll have to do it over again and get smaller tires or something. Because 245s, not only the wheels are larger, but 245s, they make car look taller also. We'll see how it drives now. Wow, I just drove it, and to my disappointment, it's just completely out of alignment. It's just out of alignment. I now have to spend money on alignment, another $100 probably. And I'm not sure if I completely in love with this look. The car looks much taller, and it looks less sporty. But you know, I like it, still like it, but it definitely drives taller. Just at least 2 inches taller, I think. But unfortunately, it's out of alignment. Yeah, it's probably balancing too. Oh well.